Hola chicos, buenos dias. Welcome to week 3 of our continuity of learning. We're going over week 3 module this week, all right? So as you can see here, there is our objective, a review of the vocab so far, and then the key lesson. Okay, the key lesson is broken down into 3 parts this week. Okay, and after each piece of the lesson, you can see there is an optional homework part. Okay? So for this week, you only need to complete one of these 4 homework options, okay? And the formative. So if it says HW underscore, this is one of the homeworks. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 you can choose from. And right above it is the lesson that will teach you how to do that, okay? But it starts out with the objective for the week, a vocab review, and the lesson. And so finally, your formative this week is writing. So if we click on our objective, all right, so you can see the objective here, okay? I learned I can move myself, see? So you can read, what's the plan for this week? What are we gonna be doing? And then you hit the siguiente button, or next down here, and it's gonna move right to the next thing in our module, okay? All right, so vocab review, it shows you the vocab, what we're gonna be, these are vocab we've already used on the past 2 weeks. All right, and then it loads here a Google Slides presentation to review this week's vocab. Okay, it's slowing down because it's authenticating my Google account, but that is a Google Slides presentation to look at this week's vocab. All right, so your first homework option is an option that works on reviewing the vocab and practicing the vocab that you just saw. So that's one option you could do. Okay, and then the affirmative commands, okay, and again, it's going to have a presentation that loads here to teach you what it is. Go through it. Some of them have videos. Most of them have a video at the end. They talk about how do I do this, and then they have a video. Here's your practice for it if this is the homework you want to do. Okay, I want to show you the formative now so you understand. But you can go through. Okay, so it has our vocab, affirmative commands, and then a negative commands, and what's the difference? And they broke it down really nice, I think. And then there's a Quizlet practice, okay? There's a homework you can do that's speaking practice. It's not required, but on your formative, it is a Google Doc, and you'll be writing out instructions for a recipe, okay? Make sure you read the instructions here. I saw a lot of formatives last week that hadn't followed the directions. If you turned in your formative and I graded it, I left you video feedback just for you. So go check that out if you haven't already. So it says here, be sure to use the negative and affirmative 2 commands that you just practiced in this lesson to complete the assignment. Use our vocab, right? The vocab you reviewed and the new vocab. And don't worry about getting your translation absolutely perfect, okay? I've seen a lot of Google Translates or other translation websites with these advanced verb forms we haven't gone over. Chicos, I want to see you learning and practicing what we've been working on. I'd rather you do it wrong than do something that we haven't been learning, okay? So we load this, and it'll show pictures of a different recipe, okay? And it'll be obvious which ones you should use. Affirmative as in positive, yes, I command you to do this, and no, negative command, do not do this, okay? I hope everybody had a nice weekend. Mr. Guerrero started to cut my hair, but then the baby woke up, so stay tuned next week for that. All right, so it's a Google Doc. Don't forget to hit the submit button when you're done. All right, but look, the instructions again are here. Write in Spanish. I saw some formatives in English. Use the vocab, use affirmative and negative commands. But look, you can see right here, los ingredientes, tell me what they are in Spanish. And down here, you can see the first one that's still loading. There's no red X over it. So tell me affirmative, yes, do this. The next one, red X over it. Tell me no, do not do this, right? The next one, yes, they're cutting up that tomato. Do that. No, don't do whatever it is that guy's doing, putting stuff in the pan, okay? I'm going to be looking for the affirmative and negative verbs, chicos, okay? Again, any questions at all, email me, and I will get back to you within 24 hours, and I look forward to seeing you guys online. Have a great week. Ciao.